this is John Young with the Weekend Handyman. Today we're looking at a way to pick up those nails and screws and little bits of metal that happen to fall out whilst you're doing a construction project. Say if you're going to have some re-roofing done and you're tearing off all those old asphalt shingles, well, there's going to be some nails or possibly staples that are pried up and they fall into the yard. This is the Pro Style Magnetic Sweeper. This is a combo kit, and this little device is going to make short work of picking up all those nails and screws or anything else that might be left over after a larger construction project. When we did some re-roofing, there's nails in the yard. When we were building brand new, there's nails in the yard. Things happen. They fall out of your pouches. And then doing, the nails got whatever. There's nails in the yard. You can have the kids walk back and forth all day long, and they'll find most of them, but there's going to be some that only a magnetic sweep is going to find. So we're going to take a look at this. This is from Joyful Flappers, by the way. Links will be in the description below, so you guys can go and find the more information about them on the website, and you can go and find a spot to purchase these. But this is a 2-in-1 combo kit, so let's open it up and take a look at what is inside. So the combo kit has two different pieces. One is a wheeled magnetic bar, and the second is more of a wand, and I'll show you what I'm talking about here. Here is the bar right here. Let's take a look at this a little bit closer. So we have our wheels on the side, and then we have, of course, our little spot for the handle to attach, and then we have our magnetic bar. And what's kind of cool about it is that once the bar is full, we can actually go and pop this off, and it'll separate the magnetic attraction and allow things to fall off. And then once we're ready to go, we snap it back up there and we are ready to go. The second part is the little puck version, which is very similar to the way the other works. Now with the puck version, you've got your handle, of course. You can go and you pick up a lot of different things, and then you can pop this off. You can pop the outer shell off, and then things will fall off if you want to go that route. Or you could just peel them off one at a time if you want to go that route. The final part is the interchangeable handle that is in the box. And of course we've got some instructions with us there and a nice little thank you note there. We'll just set this off to the side for now. So we have our handle, which extends depending upon how long you want it to be. I'm going to make it shorter just for our demonstration purposes. And then it screws right into, whether if it goes into our little puck magnet or if we go into our roller. So now I pulled out some screws and some nails. Let's take a look here. I've got 24 of each. I have 24 of our ring shanked nails here that you'd be using for sheetrock, to hang sheetrock. And then I have some little shorter screws here, 1.25 inch screws. I've got 24 of each because we're going to demonstrate how these work to pick things up. So if I run this over, it would go with the label up right here. You can see that on the video. You come across. And it picks them all up. Now to drop them, this could get messy. Is you would, just with your foot, you'd push on this part to snap it off, and then everything pretty much should drop off. There's one left, one nail it didn't come through cleanly, and then snap it back on and you're good to go. Now let's take a look at our little puck version, which can be used more like a wand. And there everything is picked up, and then we would just, again, we'd have the handle hooked up to it, and we just pop that off and everything lets loose. Now demonstrating these in the office is one thing. Now let's take this outside, because outside's where this is really going to either shine or it's going to make us, will leave us a little disappointed. I want to take this out, and again, I've counted my screws and all my nails. So we're going to go take it outside and use this in a couple of different applications to see what we can do for picking up items, screws and nails that are in the yard. So let's start in gravel and rocks. Let's spread our screws around here, and we've got our magnetic sweep right here. And as you can maybe see on our first pass, there's one nail remaining that didn't get picked up. A second pass across it, and we have them all picked up. You can see them all right there. Yeah, I'm going to just take these things and pop that off. And right there, it's nice and clean. And I didn't have a big area here for catching the nails and screws. But there we go. That was on gravel. Let's go take it over to the grass. So over here in the grass, it's a little early in the season. Not a lot of things growing yet. Let's see what it can pick up here. We can see our screws and nails. Let's see, we just went back and forward. I am not seeing any screws that have fallen. I think I've got them all on my magnetic sweep. And once again, I would just push down, and you can see some that they've worked their way around here, but I can push down. That'll knock most of them off, and I can flip it back up, and I'm ready to go. Let's go and make sure I have all of my nails and screws here. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Well, there we have it. All of my screws and nails are back, so we were able to go demonstrate on gravel area and on some grass using the magnetic sweep from Joyful Flapper with the quick detach to be able to knock things off quickly. And of course, it comes with an additional little puck style magnetic sweep that will allow you to go into different areas, smaller areas, to be able to pick up those screws and be ready to go to clean up the area so you can get ready to plant the yard again once you're done with your project. This is John Young with the Weekend Handyman. Thank you for watching.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.